Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the general form of a matrix and some important notations. First, we will discuss important notations which are generally used in matrix theory. First, matrices are generally denoted by capital letters such as capital A, B, C or by any other symbol. Second, the elements of a matrix are generally denoted by small letters. Third, suppose the order of matrix A is 3 by 4, then matrix A will be denoted by, in the same way, the order of matrix is 2 by 4. It means the matrix M has 2 rows and 4 columns. Fourth, the general approach for representing a matrix, say A, is this representation indicates that A is a matrix with m rows and n columns. The actual elements of a matrix A are not given, but they are represented by the symbol Aij, which will be defined by a given rule. Here, the symbol Aij will be read as A suffix ij or simply Aij. In Aij, first subscript always refers to the row number and second subscript always refers to the column number. Fifth point, suppose we have a matrix A of order 2 by 4 as here actual elements of the matrix are not given but they are represented by the small letters A11, A12, A13 and so on. In matrix, first and second rows are denoted by R1 and R2. Similarly, first, second, third and fourth columns are denoted by C1, C2, C3 and C4. Sixth point, position of an element in a matrix. The elements of a matrix are identified by their position, that is, by row and column numbers. For example, in matrix A, A11 is the element of first row and first column, or A12 is the element of first row and second column, or A23 the element of second row and third column, or now, to make this concept more clear, we are taking an example. In the following matrix, element of first row and first column is 2. Element of second row and first column is 8. Element of third row and second column is 4. Similarly, 7 is an element of first row and second column. 3 is an element of second row and second column, and so on. Now we will discuss general form of a matrix. In general, a matrix of order m by n can be written as in compact form. This matrix can be represented as. Now remember these key points. First, matrix is denoted by a capital letter A. Second, order of matrix A is m by n. Third, rows are denoted by R1, R2 up to Rm, and columns are denoted by C1, C2 up to Cn. Fourth, elements of matrix A are denoted by small letters A11, A12 up to Amn. Fifth, general element of a matrix A is denoted by Aij. Here, Aij is the element of ith row and jth column, or ijth element of the matrix. I hope this lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, any suggestion or any problem, please write in comment box.